Why study horticulture with us? We are situated on a large estate containing a diverse range of horticultural settings, including a walled garden, glasshouses and polytunnels. These allow you to gain practical experience in the areas needed to gain employment in the horticultural sector. You will gain knowledge from experienced professional tutors who constantly keep up to date with the latest research and industry developments. We have developed professional links with businesses within the industry, including Felco, Stihl, and Milwaukee Garden Tools. Develop the skills you need for the industry through related work placements. Our horticulture students take part in trips, including visits to Cambridge and Kew Botanic Gardens, as well as the opportunity for residential trips to Cornwall and other areas of horticultural interest. Come and join us in September. For more information and to apply, please use the link.